when you're looking high and low, far and wide, trying to find Bhein in California. First using your binoculars and then your Bhein. Hi everyone, I just want to say I love Bhein, and today I'm sharing my mom's classic Besan Wali Bhein recipe. It's crunchy and starchy and has a delicate flavor like water chestnuts, and nutty too due to the roasted besan, and an all-round family favorite, especially my dad's. Bhein is also called kamal kakri or lotus stem in English. If I'm lucky, I may find it at the Asian grocery store here in the US, but I most certainly binge on it on trips back home to India. यही तो मज़ा है इंडिया ट्रिप्स का, जो हमारी देसी सब्जियां कैलिफोर्निया में नहीं मिलती. I really look forward to having them when I'm back home. So to get started with the recipe, we'll first pressure cook the bhein in a pressure cooker for 2 to 3 whistles till it's soft. Now once it's cooked, we'll peel it and then cut it into these disc shapes. And I'm trying to cut them at an angle just to be a little fancy. Next, we'll stir fry them in besan and a few spices. In a little extra oil, I like to use mustard oil, but you can use whichever one you like. We will roast the besan till it becomes golden brown and it has a nutty aroma to it, and we'll keep stirring till it reaches that stage. So this should take a good 4 to 5 minutes or so, and then we'll add in the steamed bhein. Next, go in the salt, the lal mirchi or the red chili powder, and dhania, and a tad bit of amchur. The amchur is really optional. And then it's just mix, mix, mix. We want to make sure that all the pieces of the bhein are really well coated with all of that delicious besan and all of that masala. Oh my gosh, doesn't that look delicious? And it smells so good. Did you hear Dad in the background? He just can't wait. Next, we're going to garnish with dhania and dig in and enjoy the deliciousness that is bhein. It's ready in no time whatsoever, and you can just enjoy it with dal or roti or rice or whichever way you prefer. And remember, while you make friends with the broccolis and the zucchinis of the world, don't forget our very own old friends like the kathal and the bhein, and many more. If you like what you see, I'd love for you to support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon next to it to be alerted each time I post a video.